Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your bank to PayPal. If you want to transfer money more easily, move funds between your bank and your PayPal account, or make payments with a connected bank account, this is a simple process and only takes a few moments to complete. This is especially useful if you're doing freelance work, online shopping, or sending money internationally, since having your bank linked can speed up transactions and reduce the need to manually add funds every time. I'm gonna walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Even if you're not very tech savvy, just stick with me step by step and you'll have everything set up in a couple of minutes. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Always double check you're using the official app or website so your login details stay secure and you avoid any fake pages. Once you're on the main screen, look for the wallet section. This is the area where PayPal lets you manage your payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. Go ahead and click on Wallet to continue. The Wallet section basically acts like your financial control center inside PayPal, where you can add, remove, or update all your payment options in one place. After you're inside the Wallet section, look for the option that says Link a Bank. This is the feature you'll use to connect your bank account directly to PayPal. Click that option to move forward. Linking your bank is important because it allows you to withdraw money directly to your account or fund payments without needing a card every time. Next, PayPal will ask you to search for your bank. Start typing the name of your bank in the search field, then select the correct result when it appears. Make sure you choose the right bank, especially if there are similar names listed. This helps ensure your account is connected properly and avoids delays later on. If you're unsure, take a moment to check your bank app or statement so you pick the exact matching institution. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be asked to enter your bank account details. Follow the prompts on the screen carefully and provide the required information exactly as it appears on your bank accounts. Take your time during this part because even a small typing mistake can cause the connection to fail or require you to start again. It's a good idea to have your bank details ready beforehand so you don't have to switch screens while entering information. If PayPal gives you additional instructions, just follow them step by step until the setup is complete. Depending on your bank, PayPal may either connect instantly or ask you to confirm the account through an extra verification process. This could include a small test deposit or a confirmation code sent by your bank, which is completely normal for security. If you see any confirmation messages, review them before continuing. It's always a good idea to double-check the information you entered before submitting everything. And that's it. Once the process is finished, your bank should now be linked to your PayPal account. You can usually return to the wallet section to confirm that the bank has been added successfully. If it appears there, you're all set. From here, you can start transferring money, making payments, or withdrawing funds directly to your bank whenever you need. As a final tip, make sure your bank details are entered securely and only through the official PayPal app or website. That way, your information stays protected while you complete the setup. Also, avoid using public Wi-Fi when entering sensitive financial details for extra safety. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.